Did you know certain foods can actually help you lose weight? It's true. These foods are not only nutritious, but also delicious, making your weight loss journey enjoyable and sustainable. We're not talking about magic potions here, but natural, wholesome ingredients that can boost your metabolism and keep you feeling full and satisfied. These ingredients are easy to find and can be incorporated into your daily meals effortlessly. And guess what? We're about to combine these weight loss superstars into one delicious and easy to make smoothie. Yum! This smoothie is packed with nutrients and flavors that will keep you energized throughout the day. Get ready to say goodbye to boring diet food and hello to a fun and flavorful way to achieve your weight loss goals. This smoothie is not just a drink, it's a lifestyle change that you'll love. Are you ready? Let's do it. Grab your blender and let's get started on this exciting journey to a healthier you. This isn't your average smoothie. This is a super smoothie packed with nutrients and designed to help you shed those extra pounds. Here's what you need. 1 ripe peach, sliced, half a cup of rolled oats, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and optional, a dash of cinnamon or a few drops of stevia. Doesn't that look delicious already? Now, let's move on to discovering why these ingredients are so amazing for weight loss. Each ingredient in our smoothie plays a vital role in your weight loss journey, contributing unique benefits that work together harmoniously. Ripe peach. This juicy fruit is not only delicious but also packed with vitamins and fiber. Peaches are rich in antioxidants which help fight inflammation and support overall health. Fiber helps you feel fuller for longer, preventing those pesky cravings that often lead to overeating. It also aids in digestion, ensuring your body absorbs nutrients efficiently. Oats. Oats are a fantastic source of energy and also high in fiber. They are known to lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. They help stabilize blood sugar levels, keeping you from experiencing those energy crashes that lead to unhealthy snacking. A steady energy level means you can stay active and burn more calories throughout the day. Chia seeds. Don't let their small size fool you. These tiny seeds are a nutritional powerhouse. Chia seeds are packed with protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which help boost metabolism and reduce inflammation. They also expand in your stomach, helping you feel full and satisfied. Almond milk. This dairy-free milk alternative is low in calories and naturally sweet, making it the perfect base for our smoothie. It's also rich in vitamin E, which is great for your skin. See? Each ingredient is a powerhouse on its own, but together, they create a symphony of flavor and weight loss benefits. Enjoy this delicious smoothie as part of your daily routine and watch the pounds melt away. Now, are you ready to make this incredible smoothie? It's packed with nutrients and flavors that will energize your day. Simply combine all the ingredients in a blender. Use fresh fruits, leafy greens, and a splash of your favorite milk or juice. Blend until smooth and creamy. Make sure there are no chunks left for that perfect texture. Pour into a glass and enjoy. The vibrant colors and rich aroma will make it irresistible. You can enjoy this smoothie for breakfast, as a healthy snack, or even as a light lunch. It's perfect for those busy mornings or as a meal replacement when you're on the go. This smoothie is a fantastic way to kickstart your metabolism in the morning, giving you the energy you need to tackle your day. It keeps you feeling full and satisfied until your next meal, reducing the temptation to snack on unhealthy options. It's also a great way to curb those afternoon cravings, providing a nutritious boost when you need it most. And stay on track with your weight loss goals by choosing this wholesome option. So, ditch the sugary snacks and processed foods. Reach for this delicious and healthy smoothie instead. You've got this. Make every sip count towards a healthier you.